Are you looking for a delicious and refreshing beverage that also offers numerous health benefits? Look no further than Hibiscus Tea. This vibrant and flavorful drink is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a powerhouse for your body. So, what exactly are the health benefits of hibiscus tea? Well, for starters, it's packed with antioxidants that help fight against harmful free radicals in your body. This means it can potentially lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Hibiscus tea has been shown to support a healthy immune system. It's rich in vitamin C, which helps strengthen your body's defenses and keep you feeling your best. If you're looking to maintain a healthy weight, hibiscus tea can be a great ally. It has been found to have potential weight loss effects by reducing the absorption of carbohydrates and improving fat metabolism. Hibiscus tea has also been linked to lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which can have a positive impact on heart health. Want to support your digestive system? Hibiscus tea can help with that too. It has properties that can aid in digestion and relieve constipation. But the benefits of hibiscus tea aren't just internal. It can also work wonders for your skin. The antioxidants found in hibiscus tea help combat oxidative stress and promote a healthy, glowing complexion. So how do you enjoy all these benefits? Brewing a cup of hibiscus tea is easy. Simply steep dried hibiscus petals in hot water for a few minutes, add a touch of sweetener if desired, and you're ready to sip and savor. Whether you're looking to improve your immune system, support heart health, aid digestion, or enhance your skin, hibiscus tea is a natural, delicious, and refreshing choice. Thanks for watching this video on the incredible health benefits, vitamins, and body-boosting potential of hibiscus tea. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Cheers to your health!